How you going, guys and girls? Welcome to the channel. On today's episode, we are going to be modifying the bonnet latch. I've been looking on the internet, trying to figure out a way to do the bonnet cable in such a way, and I actually come across a HT to G build page, and they've made a little lever off the latch, and I really like that idea. It deletes the bonnet cable altogether, so today we're going to be doing that and seeing how it goes. All right, cheers. That is very sharp on that end. Yep. Yep.
Christ almighty.
It's not happening.
Might have to spin this around, put it down in the vise.
Yeah. There we go. That should happen. That's
That's close enough, you reckon, Hoss?
I reckon this angle might need to be bent. See how it angles up a bit still.
Yeah.
We'll give it a whirl, see what happens. Yeah. Still a bit high for my liking.
I don't know. You don't want it too low.
Try and get it as safe as possible. How are we going to get you in there? Looks like a crank start.
No, that one goes through this hole down here, mate.
Yeah, that's almost centered.
Is it?
Yeah, look at that. That's beautiful.
Oh. Run with that one then.
Get the welder.
Get the welder.
Yeah. No. Trim it down to size when it's on the car. All right, still needs a bit of a trim, and a bit of a move, but that's it. And do me the honours, Carl. Shut, open. You could just about do that like Tommy Lee. With the knee. That's so cool. How's that? That's cool. Alright, almost finished here. Just got to cut this out in the shape. Bit of a thumbprint to press on. That should be all good after a bit of paint. You reckon, brother?
Yeah, it'll do the job.
Do the job. Coming over here to the car, I had to take a bit of this away, bit of the excess, just to help with ease of fitment, because we're adding a bit, we have to take a bit away from somewhere else. But just followed the general shape of how it was, and that'll be him. Alrighty, all trimmed up, all nice little thumbprint. Finished welding in. Now time to paint it black and put it back. So that's him all done. Look at that, easy as can be. So the brother's taken it upon himself to start fixing this. You may have noticed from the earlier parts of the video that she's got a bit of a whoopsie in the front of the bonnet. At least we know the bonnet doesn't pop open from shock.
Nah. A little bit better.
A little bit better. Definitely doesn't have that big whoop in it now. Kind of peeks through here though. You can pull that up with a dent puller, can't you?
Yeah, it needs a little bit of a pull through here, probably a bit of a shrink just to sort of get rid of some of the ridge.
At least it doesn't have the big dent right here from apes for fucking pushing on it.
Yeah, it's just got bog on it.
Yeah, well.
So it probably does.
We don't know that.
Oh, it's better.
Definitely is. You can tell it's better from the front. It doesn't poke up as much. Alright, so that's the end of this episode. Probably get back into that bonnet at a later date because I do want to shave the underneath of it, but we'll save that for later. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Always motivates me to make more videos in the future. So until then, take it easy.